Welcome to Real Juicy News. We stumbled upon this quite by accident and we found it potentially useful. So we decided to do a video on it. The pros and the cons, we use this in a loose term. It's not necessarily fraudulent or anything like that, we're just using it as that particular term of reference. This is DynFi or DynFi, and supposedly it's free. It's cybersecurity, dynamic cybersecurity, 100% open source firewall, Centralized Manager compatible with pfSense and OPNSense, wide range of customized firewalls, a network of resellers, support services, and you can download both the DynFi Firewall and the DynFi Manager. We thought it might be in one package, but it looks like it's two. This is cybersecurity made in Europe. It's actually French, and we've had a look at a couple of video reviews on it. Yeah, pretty interesting. We had plans of having one pretty good machine, like having a 3.0 CPU or something, 4 to 8 gigabyte RAM if that's possible, fast, good hard drive, good graphics, etc. A really good machine. Not necessarily the latest, but one that can handle this, right? All the traffic coming through it, etc. So you'd have to have a fairly decent one. You couldn't have like an old Windows 98. Not too sure on that, but yeah, it's probably better to go with something that can handle like Windows 10, Windows 11. So this is all free, apparently. You download it and you put it on a USB stick, and maybe you can test it out on a PC of your choice. Got a spare one somewhere. See how it fares, see how it goes as far as the firewall goes. Okay, so apparently it's a network cybersecurity at its finest. Secure your network quickly and efficiently with DynFi Firewall, proxy IDS/IPS, antivirus, VPN, virtual private network. In the range of firewalls, identify the firewall solution that is right for you from a wide range of firewall devices covering the needs of SMEs, large enterprises or data centers. This is probably really good for your home business. Protects it really, really well. DynFi Manager, centralized management, allows you to centrally manage all your appliances based on DynFi, Firewall, pfSense and OPNSense. And there's more information about these. You can download it here. Okay, you probably need a hub or something like that. Okay, find the firewall that's right for you. Discover a wide range of appliances designed to fit your needs. Okay, simple, control and secure all your firewalls. It's got all these options here. Okay, it's in French. You'll probably be able to translate it into English, I'm pretty sure. And apparently they've updated their features, like supposedly what pfSense or OPNSense doesn't have, or meant to fix or something like that. According to this video we watched, they've done it. And they give you regular updates on what they've done to improve it, etc, etc. So it's a next generation firewall, and apparently they've improved on their visuals, etc. And you get a stateful firewall, IDS certificata, squid proxy, antivirus, clam TK. We're not happy with that one, or clam AV, because we found that with our one on our system, it wouldn't update, so we had to do it manually. It's supposed to update automatically when you set it that way. Yeah, have our reserves with that, and it's got other features. It's got IPsec, Open VPN. Okay, so you can discover their managed services, their latest articles. It's all there. Just check it out. Access to resources. Yeah, so far so good. It's just, okay, it's free, but we're not too sure about OPN. We have put a comment under a certain video and asked this person and haven't got back to us. Would that cost you a monthly fee? say if you use a virtual private network, anything else that it's got there, right? Available. Not too sure if it'll be free, a free service. Okay, you may have to pay for these. This here, IPsec OpenVPN, Squid Proxy, not really sure. Okay, you have to look at more about that. But it looks pretty good. Because what we want to do, I think we already mentioned this, is we want one machine that's just a firewall, so all traffic through our network comes through this firewall. We have a diskless computer. We mean a truly diskless computer. We worked it out how to do it. We actually have a machine that runs it, but it's old. It's asking for i386 operating system. That's how old it is. So we want to find a better, faster, more up-to-date machine that can handle all of that. It doesn't have to be that great, but from what we've done with this diskless PC, well, it will reduce viruses, etc., etc. We know this because we've looked and we've done the research. Other people have sort of hinted at different things. Like a guy even had a switch attached to his PC so he can make the machine diskless, and that was really good. We would have liked to know how to do that. But yeah, we have a completely or fully diskless PC. So we just haven't put an operating system on it. So we're looking at other machines that people bring over, they don't want them anymore or whatever. We fix them up, get them running again, troubleshoot them, whatever, reinstall the operating system and so forth. And we're working on that. We're not like experts on networking or anything like that, but we've met a couple of people that claim they are programmers or this sort of stuff. We don't know them that well, so not letting them into our house until we can fully trust them, right? Because the other person that introduced us to them is a, drug addicted and all this sort of stuff, and we don't know who this guy is. He could be. He seems to know what he's talking about when it comes to Tails operating system, and you put this thing on there, you put the operating system on there, then there's this other thing that you add to it, and basically you can run that system from the USB. You don't have to reset the browser and put add-ons and all that sort of stuff every time. It'll just run it automatically, but I guess you have to update the browser every now and again. Probably you could get around that by using Tor. Not really sure. We're pretty sure you have to update the browser, so yeah, not really sure on that one. We could probably update it and then do that system again, whatever. Okay, so yeah, this guy, he sounds pretty cool. He's not like the other guy, touchy, steely, that sort of thing. Eat some grub and then make a mess. Use the bathroom and make a mess. Yeah, not very intelligent that way. Okay. Yeah, so we're very wary. But yeah, we could probably befriend this guy and work with him. Once we know him better, then yeah, we'll let him in and we'll work together, right? Because he had a problem with other people like coming in friendly, but then they're pinching stuff, making a mess, whatever, So he gave them trespassing notices and so forth, Anyway, so this looks like it's really good. It's free and it's really good. We can download it. The DynFi Manager, DynFi Firewall, DynFi source code. It's about the company, the partners, become a DynFi partner, careers in the medias, brand and copyright, and you can contact them. Resources, articles, forum, documentation, and screencasts. In the forum, that's where they tell you what they've done to improve it, updates, or that sort of stuff. Everything they do, it's in the forum. Documentation, user guide, DynFi user guide, DynFi Manager user guide, DynFi Manager connection agent, screencasts, it's probably videos of it or something like that. people in action using it. It's trainings, pro support, managed services, integration services, products, Proxmox, whatever that is, project management with DynFi and so forth, subscriptions and servers. Yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, we'd have to probably get a hub or something like that, a box like this. So that'll probably cost us money. You can get it from a friend, cheap, doesn't want it anymore, whatever, but not old as, like 1955 or something like that. Pretty much in the 2020 era. Yeah, no good using a Windows NT4 router or whatever, right? Okay, so yeah, this is really good. So again, what we want to do is we want to have this firewall connected to a network which is connected to the internet, and all the traffic comes through that. And then from there, what do we want to look at? Say games, videos, whatever we're doing comes through to these diskless operating systems, these diskless PCs, and so forth. Okay, that's a project we have in mind. We've got about 3 or 4 computers here. Some of them are really old. Some of them can handle Windows XP, they're all registered and stuff like that, but I think we need better. We may wipe them all and put the latest Linux systems on them, but we need one for a reasonably fast one that we've got for, say, old games, 98 XP games. Okay, entertain the grandchildren, children, or whatever, that come to visit. Okay, one can be on that machine, one can be on that one can be on another one, or a PS4 or whatever. Keeps them busy while the mother I have a talk, or something like that. Yeah, keeps them busy. Or else you could put them outside, dig the garden, weed the garden, mow the lawn, but they're only 6 or 7, maybe 14, 15, so yeah, you can't be that hard on them, right? But yeah, you can do that and give them a treat afterwards. Anyway, so yeah, this is really good. Have a look at it, see what you think about it, and if you like it, let us know. Click the like button, subscribe to us, add your comments, tell us all about it. What's your opinion, your perspective, your views on it, etc. Have you trialed it? Are you running it? Etc. etc. We'll be quite interested in that. We'll get back to you on those comments as soon as we can. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty good so far. We might just download it, put it onto a USB. We're down to one USB. The other ones don't seem to work for some reason, and someone's walked off with a couple of the other ones. So yeah, no one can be trusted around this neighbourhood. It makes us wonder, didn't your parents ever tell you, when you go to someone's house, you can look but don't touch, sort of thing, right? They help themselves to food, all that sort of stuff. You go to the freezer to get them some food to cook it up because they're homeless, they're hungry, whatever, and then they sneakily put some other food in the microwave and heat it up behind your back, sort of thing, right? Or you can smell your bacon cooking. Someone's eating my bacon. You got especially for you as a treat for yourself. No, I'm not eating your bacon. And then you can smell it. You go in there, and the guy's eating your bacon, right? I thought you weren't eating the bacon. Making some excuse. Too late. He's already got his lips around it. Yeah, that sort of thing. So we basically made ourselves a fortress to prevent people from doing it. Anyway, back to this video. We're digressing. Back to this product. So go have a look at it, trial it, see what it's like. Again, give us a like for this video. Add your comments below, your perspectives, your views, your opinions on it, and then don't forget to subscribe, then go share this video with all your family, friends and others.